Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Devon Brown, and if you give me literally 2 to 3 quick minutes, I'm going to show you how I make hundreds of dollars per day online by simply ordering done-for-you traffic and sending that traffic to a system that does all the selling for me. Again, this is only going to take 2 to 3 quick minutes to explain. And by the way, quick side note, I know that I'm supposed to be doing this video with like a Rolex and my Lamborghini and stuff like that, but I don't have time for all that. This is literally what I wear to work every day, so I hope you don't mind me just being real with you in this video. So let me explain how I simply order traffic, send it to a commission that makes sales for me, and make daily commissions. Here's how it works. You see, in order to make money online, you only need 3 things. The first thing you need is traffic. I'm just going to put TRAFF for traffic. The second thing that you need is you need a system that does the follow-up for you. That's the second thing you need. And the third thing you need is you need STS. That stands for stuff to sell. And that's what each of these little dollar signs are right here. Each of these is a product to sell. Now, here's the thing. I'm lazy. I don't want to have to make my own products. I don't want to have to deal with customer support. I don't want to have to handle payment processing or anything like that. And so the neat thing is that all of these products I found and I'm able to sell for free by using what's called affiliate marketing. So all I have to do is create a free affiliate account with a company like ClickBank.com, and I have access to as many products as I want to sell. And my commissions will range from $20, $30, $40, $50 per sale, all the way up to $500 per sale or more. It's awesome. So look, I've got my stuff to sell. Boom, right here. I didn't have to create any of it. Now here's all I do. I start with my traffic, and I send that traffic to what's called an opt-in page. And this allows me to capture somebody's email address. Once I've captured their email address, they are now on my email list. That is the biggest asset I have and the most important thing. Now, the reason that I want to send the traffic to an opt-in page and not send it directly to these products is because there is a 99% chance that the person won't buy the product the first time they see it. That's the critical key piece. You got to understand that there's a 99% chance that the first time your traffic sees a product, they will not buy, but that's okay because we have a solution for that, and that solution is right here. The system. Once somebody gives me their email address, I set up a follow-up sequence that automatically every week promotes a different affiliate product to them on complete autopilot while I'm sleeping, while I'm hanging out with my friends, while I'm out with my loved ones, while I'm taking a nap. I'm making money because all I did was order traffic. Somebody else sent the traffic for me. I didn't even have to do it. Sent it to the system. It builds my email list, and then the system automatically follows up selling products that I didn't even create, but that I get commissions for. And all of this happens on autopilot. Now, here's the neat thing. Hopefully that was 2 to 3 minutes. Hopefully I made my time and I'm okay. If you're smart and if you're excited, like you should be, then you're thinking to yourself, well, Devon, that sounds great, but where do I get the traffic? How do I build a page? How do I do the follow-up sequence? How do I find all these awesome products to sell? Well, the answer is somewhere on this page. I don't know where you're watching this video. Maybe you're watching this video on Facebook and there's a little button that says learn more. Or maybe you're watching this video on a page where the details of the system are right down underneath me. Whatever you're doing, wherever you are, just follow the next instructions and it'll lay everything out for you. But the bottom line is this entire thing is all done for you, and it can be set up before you go to bed tonight. I don't want you to have to figure out any of this stuff for yourself. Just go ahead and follow the instructions on this page and get this entire thing set up for yourself before you go to bed tonight. Again, my name is Devon Brown. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.